Welcome to my channel. Today our discussion is about integration part 2, a continuation of part 1. Okay, this time we're going to evaluate the given integration functions. Integral 8x dx. So we will use the third formula. We're going to write first the constant before the integral symbol, then x dx equals, we're going to remove or extract the integration formula. It becomes now 8, then x, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 equals 2, then plus c. Pag na-integrate na natin to or tinanggal natin itong symbol ng integral, so magiging plus na yung dx, plus c. So then simplify, we have 8, 1 plus 1 is 2 over 2 plus c. Then 8 divided by 2, we have 4x squared plus c. This will be our answer. Okay, number 5. And this given, we're going to distribute. Okay, equals integral. Then you have to distribute, multiply 4 times 4x squared times dx equals 4x squared dx plus integral symbol, and we're going to multiply to the x equals x and dx. Multiply also, then negative, multiply for integral and dx, we have 4 dx integral. And then we're going to extract now the symbol, integral symbols. It becomes now 4x, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 equals 3, dx, no need to write anymore. So di na natin siya ilalagay because there is a common dx. Isang bisis lang natin siyang gagamitin. So that's why doon na siya sa uli. Plus x1 plus 1 over 2 minus 4 integral dx is equals to 4. Value of integral dx is x plus c. Then equals, so we are going to simplify 4. 2 plus 1 is 3 over 3 plus 1 plus 1 equals squared over 2 minus 4x plus c. This will be our answer. The next is number 6. At this time, we're going to multiply first for 3x negative 2 times 4x plus 3. Okay, multiply muna natin. Here, 3x minus 2 times 4x plus 3. Okay, start from the left side. 3 times 4 equals 12x squared minus 2. 2 times 4 equals 8x. Then 3 times 3x equals positive 9x.
3 times negative 2 equals negative 6.
Then we're going to add 12x squared, this one minus, equals positive x, higher your 9, that's why positive, negative 6. Okay, here now integral 12x squared plus x negative 6 or minus 6 dx equals, so we're going to distribute integral 12x squared plus integral dx equals integral x dx minus integral 6 dx equals, so So this time we're going to remove the integral, becomes 12x2 plus 1 divided by 3 plus x 1 plus 1 over 2 equals to minus 6x plus c. X is from integral dx. The value of integral dx is x plus c. Then multiply by 6. Then 12 divided by 3, we have 4x cubed plus x squared over 2 minus 6x plus c. Okay, that's our answer. I hope you enjoy and you learn something from our discussion. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.